about a million things. When you're driving at the limit, you're in a bubble. Nothing else exists.
Whether we measure it by a 100th or a 1000th, we're always chasing the next perfect lap.
When you do a full race, you come off just pumping endorphins. It is the most exhilarating thing in the world.
All the race days, I'm very proud to have it happen. I'm very proud to have you all here. I mean, I had one working without
Good drivers will tell you that their favorite corner is the one that challenges them the most.
I really like turn one because you don't see the corner when you hit the brakes. The track drops and the car changes balance when you're going in because the rear gets light, the outside front wheel gets the grip first.
I'd say turn 2 is very challenging. It's a high-speed corner on the track. It off-camber is about mid-corner.
For me, turn 13. It's actually the one before you get in the last hairpin, and I can rocket through there.
I like 6 going up into 7. At that corner, you can go through there pretty much full throttle. You can separate yourself from other people from 8 to 12.
8 when you run up the hill into a blind left-hander, over 9.
And you go through 10, which is a downhill, almost feels like it's off camber, sweeping right-hand corner.
And then another blind over 11.
All you see is mountains and sky.
That's such a tricky section.
It's really hard to figure out when you're on the edge. You can always go faster and faster until it's too much. Now, you often hear people say, oh, I drove 110%. No, that doesn't exist. 110% means you're in the wall.
Perfect laps are usually when you win a race.
They feel that you've outperformed what you were supposed to do.
You have to really be dynamic in the way that you change your driving style, how you approach the next corner based on all of the feedback you got from the car from the previous corner.
And now you're measuring in not, seconds or tenths or hundredths. You're looking at for that extra little, thousandths of a second.
And in Area 27, you got 16 corners. You got to do 16 perfect corners in order to get that magical lap, and it's almost impossible. If you set a really good lap and you know it's a good lap, there's no feeling like it. It's just like, yes.
And then do that with, 20 or 30 other guys at the same time. That's next level fun. It's the battles you have with our friends here.
It even smells like candy. You know what it takes to go fast?
But by being actually slower in the corners, faster in the straights, the cars just drove differently. But the lap time was exactly the same, and the driving was very different. It became more of a speedway track where you would stay flat out and get a go. And in the earlier days, you would have to calculate in the corners. The the driving was very different, and somehow they were both intricate. Oh, road course? North America, I would say Elkhart Lake. It's the kind of track like Spies in Europe, which is another favorite, or Suzuka. Tracks where you feel you're going somewhere. There's a corner because, well, there's a mountain and a hill, there's a reason. It's not the parking lot where you put them on corners like you get a little modern track.
Weekend ends up becoming